If you're searching for the best gifts for runners and fitness fans, you're in the right place. In this video, we highlight smart, practical, and exciting gift ideas designed to support training, boost motivation, and elevate an active lifestyle. Number 1. Garmin Forerunner 55. The Garmin Forerunner 55 earns its spot by delivering features previously reserved for mid-range watches. The built-in GPS locks on within seconds, tracking distance and pace accurately even through urban canyons. Users praise the optical heart rate sensor for reliable readings during workouts, though accuracy drops slightly compared to chest straps. The 42mm case weighs only 37 grams, light enough to forget you're wearing it. Pace Pro guidance helps maintain target pace during races, displaying real-time adjustments based on course elevation. Daily suggested workouts adapt based on recent training and recovery time, preventing overtraining. Race Predictor estimates finish times for 5K through marathon distances using VO2 max calculations. Battery life reaches 20 hours in GPS mode, enough for ultramarathons without mid-race charging. Number 2. JBL Endurance Race 2. The JBL Endurance Race 2 makes this list by surviving conditions that kill standard earbuds. The IP68 rating means complete submersion in water deeper than 1 meter, though Bluetooth signals cut out while swimming. Users report wearing them through heavy rain, intense sweat, and muddy trail runs without issues. Twist lock technology keeps earbuds locked in during high-impact activities. Battery life reaches 48 hours total with the case, providing 12 hours per charge with ANC disabled. Active noise cancellation blocks gym chatter and traffic noise, though not matching premium models. Smart ambient mode lets you hear surroundings without removing earbuds, essential for outdoor running safety. 4 beamforming mics capture voice clearly during calls, even with wind noise. Number 3. Nix Hydration Biosensor. The Nix Hydration Biosensor gets picked for bringing laboratory-grade sweat analysis to training. The single-use patches measure fluid and electrolyte losses in real time, sending data to your phone or watch. Users report discovering they lose significantly more sodium than average sports drinks provide. The lightweight pod weighs less than half an ounce, barely noticeable on your bicep during workouts. The setup requires 10 to 25 minutes after starting exercise before the first reading appears, waiting for sufficient sweat accumulation. The app provides personalized hydration recommendations based on your sweat composition, comparing electrolyte levels against popular sports drinks. Battery life lasts 36 hours per charge, handling multiple training sessions. Training Peaks integration lets coaches monitor athlete hydration data remotely. Number 4. FitGriff Running Belt. The FitGriff running belt earns inclusion by staying put during runs without bouncing. The elastic belt adjusts to fit 25 to 43-inch waists, stretching enough to accommodate phone and keys without feeling tight. Users praise how it disappears under shirts, invisible even with larger smartphones. Water-resistant coating keeps contents dry during sweaty workouts and light rain, though not fully waterproof in heavy downpours. Reflective strips along the zipper improve visibility during early morning or evening runs. The slim profile adds minimal bulk, unlike bulkier hydration belts. Reviews mention the belt riding up slightly during intense intervals, but staying secure during steady pace runs. The main compartment fits phones up to 6.5 inches, accommodating most modern smartphones, including larger iPhone and Galaxy models. Number 5. Triple Dot TRX All-in-One Suspension Training System. The TRX All-in-One Suspension Training System makes this selection by delivering full-body workouts using only body weight. The adjustable straps anchor to doors, trees, or ceiling mounts, requiring minimal space. Users report the over-door anchor holds securely even during intense movements, though checking periodically prevents accidents. The system weighs pounds, fitting easily in luggage for travel workouts. Setup takes under a minute using the door anchor, making quick workouts feasible between meetings or travel. The foam handles provide comfortable grip even during sweaty sessions. Foot cradles adjust to accommodate different shoe sizes. Safety testing confirms 700-pound capacity, more than sufficient for single-user bodyweight exercises. The 7 foundational movements work every major muscle group.